Hello viewers, today I'm going to make a video I want to film for 2 years already, I guess. Well, I gotta show you the internet on push button phone. I'm turning it on. Faster. See, the time is not set, but internet will offer me to update it now. See? So I have set the time with help of internet. It's written 4G on my SIM card, but I guess that this phone can perceive only 3G. Well, as I know, there's 5G. They used to bring down 5G towers 2 years ago. They saw some threat in them. Had you opened internet on your phone 15 or 13 years ago, the internet would have hit money from your SIM card with insane speed, and if you would download something, it would be a nightmare at all. Now internet is unlimited and it cannot eat money with that way. If you didn't connect internet to your SIM card, it just won't let you in. Now I gotta show you something. Look, this is the service of my SIM card. I've just tried to open it, but I didn't manage to. They used to shut down some functions of this service before, and I guess that they shut down the whole service by now. I'll show you the browser now. I might forget something, and I'm likely don't know everything about the browser, but still. Opening, description, opening, browser. We can look for something in search engine. So it's looking for something, searching, processing. Well, it found me some places, but let's imagine that I meant online service of PlayStation 2. I can correct myself. Here, I found it. We can look at the exchange rate, for example. It will show now. Here we see the exchange rate, but it shows for price only for 1 unit of a currency. Now we can see the price of lots of units. And there's another interesting moment. You need to press the same button all the time to find a number, but there's another way. Just holding it, well, 2 for example. See, if you hold it, it just shows the number later. I found it by accident. It's comfortable, and we can see the exchange rate now. But the browser's not perfect. The site playground.ru, I gotta show you on PC now. This is how it looks on PC. And now I gotta show you how does it look like on my cell phone. So this is how the site looks like. We need to zoom in to see something. Well, we need to focus. Alright. We can move, we can scroll the page by pressing the arrows. It will be slow. we can do it faster by pressing 2, 6, 4 or 8. Here, this is how it looks like. Fast. Well, I gotta show you what else do we have. Enter address, start page, bookmarks, tools, exit. Let's see the tools. Page information. This is the information of the page. I don't think that it is interesting for someone, but still. Getting back. Tools. Add bookmarks, send, reload, find and page, save page, history, settings, help. Settings. This is settings of the browser. I didn't customize them. This is default settings. Getting back. Once again. Tools. Help. This is the shortcuts. Online help, bug report, and about. This page tells what the browser is. And now I gotta show you how to look for something here. Finding page 5. We have number 5 already. Well, it can find number 5. You see, left button is next. Pressing it and it instantly moves me to the other number 5. Third number 5. Well, there's plenty of numbers 5 here. Guess that you understand how does it work like. But there's one more variant. How can site look like? Now I gotta show you how does it look on PC. Now this is the site where you can see position of sun. Here is it, by the way. I gotta show you a place where you can see the schedule of day and night during the year. This is the... what is it? Day, night, twilight for today or for the date you choose. And now I gotta show you how does it look like on the cell phone. So this is how does it look on a push-button phone. The programmers probably doesn't think how will their site look on a push-button phone. They likely doesn't remember that there's internet at some push-button phone. You can find settings at the bottom of search engine page. If you will type emptiness to the search engine, you will be able to find settings there as well, and you will get to the default page. Now I gotta show the settings. No. So this is the settings. I didn't really change anything, only language. Well, I gotta change it now to my native language. No. Well, it's approaching. I know that it's close already. Here. It's important to save the settings or it's not gonna work. I'm saving. So I saved. Now everything is in my native language here. Once again, the bottom of the page, and now I will type emptiness to the search engine. Alright, this is the default page, this is the settings, this is the internet we have on a push-button phone. I have this phone for 10 years, but I have internet only for 3 years. It doesn't seem that internet was ever popular on push-button phones. I have internet only for 3 years here. Some woman called me and offered me a tariff. I agreed. and then only 1 year later I realized that I can use internet, so I use it for 2 years. Well, it shows something, it doesn't show something. What we have,